And now I is the director of the BIA supervision. Regarding with the establishment, resolution of the various detachments in the different areas of municipalities of Sapan, Inuman, and Sultan Al. So I would like to thank for that for the effort of the EPP sponsor. And likewise, I would like also to commend the efforts of our acting governor, Evan Acting President of Moro, for the support for the provision of the different values needed items in preparation for the upcoming elections, national and local elections, like that extending bulk of cement intended for the fixing of the schools classified or identified as the precinct municipality. Again, thank you so much, Bob, for that. Thank you so much. And then, in regards to some additional concerns, I would like to request again that the AP and the PNP for the strict limitation of illegal entry of the prime voters of the municipality of Numan to be rid of and also to achieve credible, honest election in the municipality of Numan. And again, to the AP and the PNP, I would like also to request the transfer of the checkpoint in Barangay Bani to Barangay PD as the strategic location for the checkpoint as the latter is approved to ambush. Again, Madam Chair,